Welcome to Altoona, Pennsylvania and the Railroaders Memorial Museum. I'm Daryl.
And I'm Renee.
And join us on this R&DW adventure. The museum itself is really remarkable. They've spent so much time, money, and effort to really build out a very attractive museum to talk about the lives of the railroaders. And specifically the Pennsylvania Railroad.
It's done in layers, and there's so many dioramas and explanations and historical facts. There's a lot about the women who were working on the railroad during World War II.
Well, and in general, they have a few vignettes here and there calling out the women that served the railroads. The other thing I will note is they have a model railroad, like so many others do, depicting the history of railroading.
Unfortunately, it wasn't running today, but the layout is still awesome.
And there is a lot of hands-on activities here. Not hands-on with the original artifacts, but a lot of really cool hands-on stuff. Also of note is they do have this really amazing grounds where they do have special events, so make sure to check out some of those. Like the weekend we're here, they're going to actually have a cookout.
If you're lucky, you'll get to see them working in the roundhouse, which I think is the biggest one I've ever seen. It may or may not be open due to whatever kind of work they're doing. Like right now, they are working on the steam locomotive 1361, but it's definitely worth checking out.
It only took us about 2 hours to do the whole thing, so I'm thinking less than an hour for most visitors, making it a really good addition to your visit to Horseshoe Curve, which they do sell bundles where you can do both for a discounted price.
And you might want to think about which one you do first. Today we went to Horseshoe Curve first, and then came here and saw lots of trains passing, so I think I'd rather come here first and then go to Horseshoe Curve.
That is going to wrap up this episode though, so make sure to check out our other videos by hitting that channel icon up in the corner. And then on the other side, we're going to put some of our museum videos.